Hi everyone, welcome if you're new. Hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. You guys, first of all, before we get started, I just want to say that the look that I have on right now is not the same look that you will see on my demo in this video. I was filming two videos when you know what, it was last night. I was filming two videos last night and I forgot to do the intro because I had to switch shirt and stuff like that, so I forgot to do the intro on the eyelid tape. So here I am. I decided to use the same product that I have on my face. I used the same palette that I use on the eyes, but different look. And I also used the eyelid tape that I am giving away, so that's what I have on the eyes right now. I did a little demo on Instagram. It didn't go well. I don't know if I'm gonna post it, but it's just, I feel like when you are trying to demo something, it just things doesn't go your way, and I just don't feel like redoing it. I mean, I just want to show you guys that it is easy, but there is a bit of struggle with it, you know what I mean? Because once you get this product, you're like, well, she didn't struggle like that, or it didn't seem like it's that hard. You know, it's definitely something that you have to practice and do it a few times. Even me, I've been doing this eyelid tape and I still do mess up. I still have to layer my eyelid tape. I still have to apply eyelid tape on this one, which normally I don't do. I usually just put one here or two, so I can even it with this one, but I went a little too high on this one, so I had to apply one tape on this one just to kind of lift it up a little bit. And I'm not mad at it because it kind of lift up my eyes a little bit, so I really like how it turned out. If you guys are interested on seeing a little demo on the Aqualace, stay here. If you want to see a demo on the eyelid tape that I'm giving away, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and watch my Insta story for that. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please do give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy this type of content, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my upload. So if you guys want to see a little bit of demo with the Aqualace and also want to know more about the giveaway that I'm trying to re-give away, then just keep on watching. This is Aqualace, you guys. This is the best, the most amazing eyelid tape invention that they came up with. So this is from Beauty Logic as well, you guys. So this was sent to me. I just want to say that. In this little packaging right here, you will get 120 individual eyelid tapes. So that's 5 packets or 5 little sheets like this. And then you will also get a little spray bottle, because that's all you need is water to adhere this to your lid. And you also get a little tweezers and the Y rod. I will insert a picture right here, but I can't find it right now. You will get all that in this little packet right here. I want to introduce you guys to the best eyelid tape in the world. This one right here. And it's amazing because you don't need any glue. I just want to keep repeating that. All you gotta do is spray it and you are good to go. So let's get to this little show and tell. So as you guys can tell that I do have a higher fold on this eye right here. So my main fold is up here, so I can do a lot of work right here. I can do my wing liner, no problem. But if I try to copy everything on this side, it just takes away so much from the look. Even when I apply my false lashes, you can definitely see it, because sometimes they're like, well, just apply false lashes and you know, it'll hide everything, but I can definitely see it. Most of my looks, I have my eyes closed when I put it on Instagram, so unless I am doing a wing liner or it's a look that I know I'm going to open my eyes, then I definitely have to apply eyelid tape. You need to find where you want to apply your eyelid tape before you even do it. So I will have to lift this little skin right here, because this is my folded or my hooded lids right here. So it's hidden over this little area right here, so I have to kind of lift this up right here. So I'll have to apply my tape right here, and it will fold back this way, and it will just create that little space or that big space for us to work with. And we can definitely apply our wing liner. There is like a protected top to it, if I can get to it, to make sure it doesn't get wet, because it is water activated, so when it does get wet, it does get sticky. All you have to do is take your little spray bottle and just spray it. Oop, I just sprayed my computer. I spray both sides of it, and I just apply it to my lid. It's really easy, just like that. And I just use the end of this right here, and this is where you need that rod thing, the Y rod, to push that product in, you guys. Now, do you guys see that big space that we created right there? You guys, like I said, you can apply this over makeup or under makeup. Now that we have that big space right here, now we can go ahead and apply some wing liner. We're just gonna go all out with this and do the wing liner as well. Now that we have our tape, you guys, it will guide us to a better, somewhat even wing. I'm gonna take my Eyeko waterproof lash enhancing precision brush carbon black liquid liner. I think I just read like the whole thing. Yeah, it's a Black Magic liquid eyeliner. If you think that you can see your eyelid tape and you kind of want to hide it more, then apply more product on top of it. The shadow that you use, it will be just fine. If you are eyelid tape lover, if you are curious about eyelid tape, this is something that you need to start with, because you don't have to worry about a messy glue or what glue should I use. All you need is water, H2O. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna apply some lashes, do my face. You guys, I am filming the Tati Blendiful with the face. That's why I'm not doing it on camera, so keep an eye out on that. So these are the 3 kits that I'm giving away. So these ones are not the Aqualace. This is just a regular one. You do need glue with this one, but it is included in here, so don't worry. You have your glue, your little tweezer thing, you have your Y rod that I'm talking about. It's in here. It is provided for you guys. If you buy this kit, it is $14, I believe. I will double check on that, but it is $14 and you get 120 individual eyelid tapes in here. But I'm giving this to you guys for free, so if this is something that you are interested in, please enter in this video. So I'm giving small, large, and medium, so it does cater to different eye size. So I'm gonna keep the same rules that I have on the first video. Just please do subscribe to my channel, and also go follow me on Instagram. On the comment section, let me know why you need eyelid tape, why you want to try it, and which size you would like to try, so I can definitely send you guys the right one. Even if you don't need them, I'm sure you know somebody who does, or just please share this video so everybody can be aware of this amazing eyelid tape. And you guys, if we are very successful with this video, with this giveaway, I will definitely reach out to Beauty Logic so I can get my hands on the Aqualace one, and I can give those away too. If there is one eyelid tape that I would recommend for you guys to try, for beginners, for people that's been using eyelid tape, definitely try the Beauty Logic Aqualace. You guys, I will link them in the description below. And so eyelid tape is good for hooded lids and even eyelids, for droopy lids. So for me, it's definitely to even out my folded lids and kind of lift my hooded lids just a little tiny bit, so it would be uniform to the other lid. So that is my reason. So let's see, I think that is everything that I want to say about the eyelid tape. So definitely share this video, and let's get this giveaway be successful so I can do more for you guys. Everything that I mentioned is gonna be in the description below. I don't have nothing else to say, you guys, but please do enter and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.